I'm just mixing up these chemicals for sanitizing all the work surfaces within the van and the storage area. Okay, time to start cleaning. That's everything clean. Now I need to wash the outside of the van, make sure that's all sparkling, and make sure the fridge is all clean, and the inside cabin is all to standard, and the freezer as well. So, and then we're all good. Environmental health officer has just come to visit. She was blown away, she loved it. She said I've gone above and beyond, and even said that I've done better than some of the restaurants that she deals with. She was really happy, loved all the cleaning routines, loved the way I was storing the product. She gave me 5 stars, 5 out of 5 for my food hygiene. Really happy with that, so there's nothing left to do now but start pitching for work. She wished me well. She said it was really rare for someone to, on their first ever inspection, to get 5 out of 5, so I can't tell you how proud I am. I'm just designing the side panel artwork. They're going to go on these magnetic panels that can just pop on, and then when I want to be a bit more stealth I can remove them, and that way it'll just be a white van. I'm working with quite a lot of different images, so the resolution and the file sizes are really big, so thankfully I've got a laptop that can handle that, and then I've got to find, I've got to kind of shop around and find a nice printer that will do a really good quality print for me, but at the same time be cost effective. Okay, so about £150. Okay, so about £140, so around £112. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, and in terms of like timescales, like when can I expect them to arrive? Right, fantastic. Yeah, I'd love to place that order. So I've just ordered the imagery. I've just ordered the side panels for the van. So I'm really excited about that. They're gonna be attached around the side of the van. They're magnetic, so I can always take them off and still maintain that level of stealth that I want. I have to admit, I'm a little bit nervous about the idea of someone else doing a video, but no, I really trust you, so I think I'm willing to give it a go. What I will do, I'll work on a brief, and then I'll email that across to you, and then we can have another little chat on the phone and come up with a strategy for the shoot, and yeah, hopefully create something really good. Yeah, no, I'm really excited by it. Okay, so here I'm just working on the brief for Ollie. I've come up with a few different ideas of what we should do, and how I'd like the shoot to go. So I'm just going to ping this across to him and get his feedback on it, and then we'll work together to make it a reality. I'm feeling a little bit nervous about tomorrow. My good friend Ollie is coming up from Notting Hill he's offered to shoot a advert for me. He's got a background in film production and marketing, and we used to work together in central London, and he wants to help me out. He's seen what I've been doing, and he's really kindly offered to set this up for me. So yeah, we're gonna do something quite professional. Like we spent today coming up with like a strategy and a brief and everything like that. So yeah, we've just got to get it all shot and filmed tomorrow. So yeah, it's just a bit like, it makes you feel quite nervous when you're not the one editing the footage and filming it, but a lot of this stuff is based on trust, and I trust Ollie a lot, and yeah, it's just like, it's so good that he's like reassured me with so many things. And so yeah, I'll still be like taking a few videos on the side for the vlog, and yeah, it'd be great to like take someone else's input into it and like edit it down. It's gonna be like a 1-minute advert, so it's gonna be like crazy professional. And then on Thursday we're gonna spend the whole day like editing it, so I'll like bring you in there as well, and you can see how we do that. But yeah, just gonna have an early night tonight, and be like fresh faced for it, and yeah, like see how it goes. So I'm just sewing these buttons on for my braces. So I've been talking with Oliver, and we thought we'd go for more of a London cocktail bar look. So I'm just sewing these on quickly. Ollie should be here quite shortly. Hello mate.
Hello mate, how are you? Good to see you, mate.
Right, coming in.
What in? Nice.
Hello everyone, this is Ollie.
Hello, nice to meet you. How's it going? Well, yeah, so what I'll do is I'll get my camera equipment. I've got my camera, my lights, and my tripod. I reckon we should do like cutaways for the first part, so lots of B-roll, so loads of shots of you kind of making coffee, steaming, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Like the whole kind of like process and stuff. And then yeah, then we'll do the kind of the sequence of the piece to camera a bit later.
Great.
So yeah, it should be good. So I'm going to get my camera equipment. Let's kick ass.
Yeah. All right.
Hello, my name is Oliver, and welcome to NCASS YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I love one, yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
How much are you? Oh, coffee.
Good.
Really good, yeah. Really good.
It took me a whole day calibrating the machine, so it should be perfect. So we're just in Camden at the moment. We're just going to be doing a quick shoot here. Yeah, it's beautiful weather, absolutely gorgeous.
You've been registered on our system. Press 1 to send me your number plate by text, or press 2 to tell me your number plate again by phone.
ZF.
I'm sorry, can we please try that again? Press 1.
We checked out this place. What's it called? The Grill.
Pasta, falafel and grill.
Ollie.
Is the lighting good?
Yeah, it's really good.
My face looking good?
Ollie's brought me to Hampstead Heath, and we're going to shoot another part of the advert here. But I've got an audience. Look at that. So,
No pressure.
no pressure. Right, let's go.
Yeah, we can make something really good.
Yeah, good.
I've got every confidence.
We've just finished the shoot. We've been filming all day, all around North London. How do you think it went?
I think it went really well. I think we can be so happy with ourselves and got some pat on the back. Great job, Asa.
Perfect. Great job, Ollie. If you need a videographer, if you need someone to come and produce a video for you, I can't recommend him highly enough. He's a real good friend of mine. I really trust him, and I know it's going to be brilliant. We're just going to edit the footage today. We're going to spend the whole day just editing and try and get this slick and perfect. So
sexy, yeah.
Just got back from Ollie's, absolutely knackered. We've been working really hard. It's amazing seeing what he can do with Premiere Pro and all the tricks inside of that software. Really excited. It's, even though we were editing all day, we've still got more to do. It's only a minute long, this advert, but it's so hard, like editing it all down into like one concise, beautiful minute. So we're gonna start editing again on Monday, just like really polish it off, get it absolutely perfect, and yeah, really looking forward to sharing that with you. Just had the delivery of the coffee sign and stuck it up, and it looks absolutely brilliant. Really happy with it. Really good colours, really good definition, and it's magnetic. It fits really well, so you can see it just peels off. So yeah, really happy with that.
Lasagna domini.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a very quick tour of my electrical cupboard while I've got the sofa out. So here I've got a split charge relay that powers all three 95 amp hour batteries off the alternator of the Ford Transit. Here I've got a smart charge controller installed, and that again powers the three batteries when I'm on hookup. Behind here's the diesel heater and the air ducts that go to these open up like that, and there's another one that comes here. It's partially blocked at the moment, there we go. So that's that. Behind that we've got the inverter. It's a 2000 watt inverter, and that comes off with these chunky cables, 35mm cables that come off the batteries. The batteries are wired in parallel. Here I've got the 12 volt fuse board with a safety breaker installed here. So that's going off to all the 12 volt sockets. Here we've got the 40 amp MPPT charge controller, which takes the power coming from the solar panel into that breaker box, and then that will go into the MPPT charge controller and distribute the power to the batteries. And here we have the mains, so the mains comes in there. Got a few junction boxes here that split off, and then we've got the main switchboard with the specialist fuse breakers, and then we've got the plugs that go off to the different sockets, and here we have the breaker switch which distributes the power from either mains input or inverter input and lays it onto the fuse board. So a bit of a whistle stop tour because I've got to quickly put the sofa back in, but that's pretty much the gist of it. If anyone's got any questions on that or wants me to expand further, I can do. And so that smart thing goes, the split charge relay then goes to the battery, which is conveniently just there. So yeah, as I say, that's just a short little whistle stop tour. And then in terms of the outputs, we've got a plug here, we've got a socket there, we've got a socket here, and then we've got 2 sockets at the back. But yeah, so it's all been tested and approved. So I've now got a PAT safety test. As you can see, I've got my stickers on my 240 volt items. So yeah, really happy that I've got all my PAT testing done. Right, so that is everything tested. They've tested the portable appliances, they've tested all the wiring inside of the van, all the plugs, all of the 240 volt wiring and appliances, everything. So that's a big weight off my mind. It's all been certified, I've got everything ready to go. So next week the only thing I've got to focus on is getting work. So I'll be making sure that's my top priority, approaching marketplaces. I'll have all of my documentation in place, so I'm ready to rock really. Watch this space. Hey folks, if you liked that video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you stay up to date with all of the latest developments coming from Bean Extract. And if you want to try the world's best coffee, head on over to beanextract.co.uk and grab yourself a bag. We ship all over the world.